This section here is the actual login for the website owner and the website operator to get into the Wizsupport program. It's very easy. You just use a username and password, and in this case it would be Dave Stubbs Realty. Just enter. What's wonderful about this aspect of the program is it makes this program totally mobile to be able to do business and monitor the website from anywhere, whether it be the beach, whether it be home, office, after hours. Your website is always open for business with Wizsupport. Now this is the program Wizsupport. There are many columns involved in the program with features that the operator can use to monitor the website. The most important one would be Site Monitor. The Site Monitor is a window that will give you information real time as to how many people, what pages, what time, what the last 50 URLs are that people are actually looking at your website right now. For instance, this top window up here gives you the day, the time of the day, the hour of the day, 0 to 2400 hours. And the bar graph will tell you how many visits there have been to your website, on your website pages during each of those hours. So you know which are the busier hours on your website. A very nice web analytic tool. The URLs over here on the left, the top URLs would tell you which were the top pages that were visited. It'll give you a percentage breakdown as well as how many page views. Excellent web analytic tool. The bottom here with the last 50 URLs that people clicked on while visiting your site. Now a smart area is an area that will show you, if you click on this, what people are on your website at what pages immediately right now. Right now there's nobody on the Dave Stubbs website page, but if someone would have to come up, a session would be opened up and you could send them a message. But for the moment, no one is on the web pages, but this is vital. Going back to the Site Monitor, that gives you real-time information never before being made applicable to a website owner. Now the feedback section over here is as well as after someone has actually visited your website, you can send them a survey. And you can just check this out by clicking on here. I've made a demo one. It says, did you receive good service from our website operator? Did you receive all the information you need? And if people can put a response together and send it back to you, so you can do a survey after dealing with a customer using Wizsupport over the website to a user. There's a plethora of reports available to the operator to monitor the success of Wizsupport and to monitor the operator's effectiveness at answering calls and giving you a much broader perspective of how this tool can work for the website owner and the operators. With all in mind, we want to provide fantastic service to a customer. Open your doors on the website at all times. The settings section is really the crux of the area. This is where you input all your information as to what you need, what tools you can set up ready to provide information in real time to a user while you're chatting to them. The general section over here is primarily set up with, say, stating what you want to make available to the customer to see. Whether the system is online, you can either put it offline if you want, or if you have technical difficulties, you can send them a message saying that. You could say whether you wanted to provide video chat or audio chat or text chat. Feedback, of course, we've discussed that already. There's ways that you can customize the message to the customer, saying that if you can't answer the call, you can leave a message saying, thank you for your interest, but we are currently unable to answer your call. You can customize all the verbiage on the windows presented to the customers when they actually dial in. If you make a change of a name, you need to change an operator's name. In the greetings, you can make whatever changes you want. You make the change, and you have to save at the bottom of the page. The subject matter. These are the actual subjects that your user can choose from when setting up a chat with you. It's very easy to create a subject. In fact, for this business, there's property sales, leasing, property management, vacation rentals. The responses are pre-made responses that you've already created, so you can facilitate a fast, effective response mechanism back to the users. For instance, over here, it says new customer. Great to have you as a new customer. Cindy, hi, this is Cindy. These are all responses that at a click of a button will present themselves in the text box to the user. So the operator has a response folder set up with pre-made responses to facilitate quick, efficient replies. The URL section is important because here you can save web addresses, and you can push them on and click them through to the user to let them navigate your website effectively. Instead of wasting time leaving your website, you can send them the information to take them to the correct page right away. That is very big, and it's great for customer service and less frustrating for the user who just wants to get information quickly. Images and banners section is the graphic look of your chat boxes, request boxes, all this kind of imagery that the customer sees. You can change these at any time that you want to facilitate or customize any of the interface communication windows that come up between the operator and the user. Now we are going to templates. What you saw there was a proactive template set up to fall after 3 seconds on every web page. And as a user will navigate through the web page, like possibly going to buyer resources, the template will fall down as well. And at any time, of course, if the customer decides to move to another page, going to seller or price my home, the template will fall down again, prompting them to click on it and set up a chat with the operator and the business involved.